So hey guys, this is developer dude, and in the previous video we have designed this head one and this tag and this hover effect for underline and this image. So let's get started. So let's continue the coding. So let's get started. So here let's writing the CSS code for the class name login. So let's start it. Dot login position is to be fixed, okay, and bottom 0, display flex direction, column and width 100%, justify content, center. Okay, now dot login div, display flex and justify content, center. Now targeting the button class div, align item center and margin right 15 pixels, margin left 15 pixels, width 250 pixels and height 40 pixels, cursor pointer and border radius 50 pixels. Control save. Let's check out, refresh. Okay, so here it is down below. So now target the order ID order. So order background color is to be hash 393 C41, okay, and color white. Control save. Let's check this out, refresh. So here it is. Now targeting the in1 ID hash in1, okay, so background color should be hash EE BEB, okay, and color is to be hash 393 C41. Control save. Check it out here. So here it is. Now write the code. Now target both of these, order and in1. Font size is to be 14 pixel and font weight 500. Now save it, refresh, and here it is. Okay, so now this is so much down and this one is above here, but it is at this line, but this one is down, so let's bring it up. Okay, so targeting the class dot blank, okay, dot blank is height 70 pixel. Control save. So this got something up, a little up. Now targeting the dot login dot wait here, look at this, wrong spelling, so arrow, okay, dot login dot arrow, height 60 pixel and font size 25 pixel, color RGB 7575 and 75. Save it. Let's check this out. So here it is. You can see same as that one with something is okay. So this is same as that. Okay, now look at this animation. So let's add this animation to this arrow. For creating the animation, write the code, give it the name animation, up down 1.5 seconds and is infinite. Okay, now create that animation, create this animation up down, okay, Now at the 0%, wait, this is not 0. At the 0%, transform and translate y to 0. Okay, and at the 10%, transform, translate y 5 pixels, just 5 pixels. Okay, and at the 20%, transform, translate y 0, and copy and paste this, Control C, and wait, this one, Control C, and paste it down below just once, and change this to 30 and this one to 40. At the 40 it's to 0, and again paste. Now again change this to 50 and change this to the 80. Now write for the 100%, transform, translate y 0, Control save. Let's check this animation. Now you can see, here it is.
If you enjoyed this video, then give a thumbs up, and if you didn't subscribe the channel, please do subscribe. Goodbye.